Hello everybody, this is Patty and I just brought you guys out on my sun porch to show you what my plants are doing, and they have grown since the other day. I mean, they're really taking root and sprouting out. This is spinach and this is squash right here. And I have some basil and some parsley back here. And as you can see in the bag, I have sage, and the peppers are not doing anything right now, but here they are. And this is broccoli. It is doing okay. More peppers. And in this pot, I have some marigolds coming up. You can see the little sprouts right there. This bean plant is sprouting out. And here is more parsley. And this is a bean plant, but it's looking a little bit sick right now. So this is what I have going on my sun porch. This is what is happening here. And I got the plants off the floor of the porch and put them on this little plant stand. And this is about it, guys, but I still have so much more that I have to plant. I have greens to plant, green seeds and cilantro, and what else? Some more peppers. Just a lot of other seeds that I need to get in the ground, and I'll be doing that between now and Sunday. Here it is, guys. The sun is still shining bright out, but it has left the porch. So just want you guys to see what I've been doing. Here I'm going to put a little water on the plants and just continue to talk to them and watch them grow. Oh guys, I have been noticing in my plants little gnats are flying around, and somebody told me that I should get some water in a cup or plastic bowl or something, put some apple cider vinegar in there along with some Dawn detergent, dish detergent, and that will attract the gnats, and they will go into that solution and stay away from my plants. So I am going to give it a try. If you all have some other solutions for getting rid of gnats, please comment in the section below and let me know what you're doing to get rid of the gnats on your plants. And my plants are not in the opening, they're behind the screen on the sun porch, so I don't know how they're getting to them, but I guess somehow they form. And I just want to know what you guys do about gnats, or if you're even having that problem with gnats. So I'm going to do some research to see what else I can find out about them out there. But in the meantime, just share your comments, and if you're having that problem, let me know what you're doing for the problem. And this is Patty's Southern Kitchen and More. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Give me the thumbs up. I appreciate you coming each time you come to my channel to support me. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for all of your support and all that you do to help me grow my channel. I will talk to you later. Bye.